Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Nerdify. Today, we are going to take a look at the iPhone 11, released back in 2019, and see how it holds up in 2023. The iPhone 11 was a popular phone when it first came out, but with all the new models that have been released since then, does the iPhone 11 still have what it takes to compete? Let's find out. Design and display. Starting off with the design, the iPhone 11 still looks great in 2023. It features a 6.1-inch liquid retina display that is still bright and sharp, although not as advanced as the newer iPhones. The iPhone is made of glass and aluminum and feels sturdy in the hand. One downside, however, is that the phone is not as water resistant as the newer models. Performance. Moving on to performance, the iPhone 11 still holds up very well in 2023. It runs on Apple's A13 Bionic chip, which is still very fast and efficient. The phone can handle multitasking, gaming, and running multiple apps without any lag or slowdown. The battery life is also still impressive, giving you around a full day of use on a single charge. Camera. The camera on the iPhone 11 is another area where the phone still shines. It features a dual camera system with a 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide lens. The photos and videos still look great with a good color accuracy and dynamic range. Night mode is also still impressive, producing bright and clear photos even in low light situations. Software. In terms of software, the iPhone 11 is still receiving updates from Apple, which means it is still very secure and up to date with the latest features. It is currently running on iOS 15, which means it has access to all the latest apps and features that Apple has to offer. So, should you still buy the iPhone 11 in 2023? If you are on a budget and want a reliable and fast phone with a great camera, then the iPhone 11 is still a great option. It may not have all the latest bells and whistles, but it can still hold its own against new models. However, if you want the latest and greatest, then you may want to consider one of the newer iPhone models. Thank you for watching our video on the iPhone 11 in 2023. Although the iPhone 11 is now for a few years old, it is still a reliable and powerful smartphone that can meet the needs of many users. Whether you are using it for work or play, the iPhone 11 is a great choice for those who don't need the latest and greatest features. As technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what new and innovative features will be introduced in future iPhone models. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to stay updated on the latest news and rumors surrounding Apple's upcoming devices. Thanks again for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.